You've just conducted interviews and transcribed your interview data. Now you are wondering, how are you going to conduct qualitative data analysis on this data using ATLAS.ti? In this video, I'll simply be teaching you how to conduct qualitative analysis of interviews using ATLAS.ti. Let's get to it. The first thing that we need to do, even before we go to ATLAS.ti, is to define what we are going to be doing. Ideally, what we are going to be doing is coding. We are going to be coding our data and then combining codes together to form themes. Let me begin by showing you an example of codes. Then I define what codes mean, and then from there we can go to ATLAS.ti. Now, here are some examples of codes. You can see HF means heart failure. Heart failure symptoms affect workplace. Swelling in the legs and blisters, pain in the legs, swelling in the legs, previously taken medication. HF symptoms affect workplace, palpitations when walking. So I want to read the statements and then see why did I make these codes. You can see this person says, from this place, it's been 3 years since I came back from Gulf. The main reason for coming back is because in between I had swelling in my legs. I'm a driver. If I start today, then 2 to 3 days only I can come back. So there was swelling in the legs and blisters, and I was not able to keep my leg down. You can see that section I've coded it as heart failure symptoms affect work, not workplace but work. It affects their work, so they are not able to perform well at work because of heart failure symptoms. Then swelling in the legs and blisters. That statement is, I had swelling in my legs. I'm a driver. If I start today, then 2 to 3 days I can come back. So there was swelling in the legs and blisters were there. I was not able to keep my leg down. So swelling in the legs, that's another code. Then there is pain in the legs. The statement from, so there was swelling in the legs, blisters, and then I was not able to keep my leg down, that kind of pain I was having. So pain in the legs. There is another code where they say, then I took medicines, and since I was taking medicines, it was okay. So they have previously taken medication. The code is previously taken medication. This is for heart failure, by the way. Then I went to Gulf, but then after 1.5 years I came back. I had some difficulties. The code that we had before, heart failure symptoms affect work. Then when I walk, I was having palpitation. I was not able to climb stairs. So palpitations when walking. These are codes. From these examples, we can see that codes can be defined as labels or interpretive statement to any information that's important to our research objectives or questions. So a code is simply a label or